profit here, and what you're seeing is a page that you use if you want to submit a guest blog post to myself, okay, for publication on my blog. So I'm just going to take you through the steps that you have to take to complete this task. It's pretty straightforward, really. The first thing you'll do is click on this link, and I'll do that for you, and that's going to take you to where you give your name and email details. It's taking a while to load. I'm assuming that's because we're recording, so it's loading. It's a bit slower than normal, but I think you can see that. See if you can move that a bit. Yeah, you can see that. That's the registration page. So yeah, you put in your first name, last name, email, user, password, and then the annoying captcha. Sorry for that, but it's just one of those things you have to do to stop spam. And then once you've done that, you are good to go. You then can submit your content here on this link. Now I'm going to show you what that looks like. It's pretty basic. It's more basic than the ones that you're normally used to. That's if you'd submitted a guest post before, because I've made it very simple. Yeah, so your name, title of your blog post, and then the body of the content, you just copy and paste it in there. Yeah, so I'm assuming that you lot use an editor of some description. So I've got Microsoft Word, so you can use that. This is how you format your articles in here, get all the spell checking and paragraph, and do it all here first, and then you want to fire up Notepad. Well, you don't actually have to do it, but just for the sake of cleaning up the code, if there's any discrepancies that's going to mess up the code when you copy and paste it, you just pull it in here first. So you pull it in, as I said, the Word format first, and then you pull it in Note second. That clears up the code, and then you can drop it straight in to the page what I just showed you. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. After you've done that, you can drop it here, and then I will do the editing on my end and put in your bio descriptions and the link back to your article, etc. I will do that from my end. Okay, so there is another thing that I'd advise you to do before you do this though, and that is to I want you to go to Gravitar, that site here. Now you need to go here and upload an image of yourself, and it's very important that you do this because Google have made some changes and they basically want to give people credit, or they want to organize the content. That's a better description. They want to organize the content on the web, and the way they're doing that is by giving you what they call a Google authorship. So if you upload a picture here, it will display on my blog and any other blog that you submit an article to that use the Gravitar. It would automatically display there with your image. Yeah, so I'll just show you a quick look at my recently updated profile. That's what it looks like when you've completed it fully, but you must upload your image here first, and then you can claim proper authorship for all the articles that you write and submit across the web. Yeah, so those are the 3 steps, yeah, that you have to do. But as I said before, this is pretty straightforward. Just hit the submit button and then I'll do the rest at my end. Okay, so this video is a wrap, sorry, and thanks for watching and listening, and I will speak to you soon. Bye for now.